So something came in the mail today. This is from the U.S. Department of Transportation, FAA. Alright, here we go. Yeah. As I open this, I feel the card. Look at that. Yes. My remote pilot certification card. A few months ago, I took one of the most difficult exams I've taken since my days in college. And that exam was for the Part 107 license for drone operators. Actually, there's a long name for it. It's called the FAA 107 Unmanned Aircraft General Small UAG exam. Quite the mouthful. If you're interested in knowing the details of that exam, I'll put the video up here or a link in the description below. But in brief, what it entailed were the logistics of not just being a pilot, but different things such as cloud formation, airspaces, altitudes, no-fly zones. And I have to say the test was very hard, but I freaking passed. Now, getting this FAA card and being certified as a drone pilot really just takes things to a whole new level as a drone operator. And there are actually several reasons why I became drone certified. And I'm going to explain why. But before I do, if you could please like this video and definitely subscribe to my channel. If you love travel content, you're in the right place. But before I get into the details, there are two kinds of drone pilots out there: recreational and commercial. In the simplest terms possible, recreational is just somebody with a drone, puts it up in the air, takes pictures and videos, and that's it. The content is yours and you don't share it, or simply just flying the drone for fun. That's recreational. But commercial, on the other hand, in the eyes of the FAA, is basically putting your drone up in the sky, taking pictures, videos, posting it on social media. So to clarify what the FAA considers commercial use, using the drone to take photographs or videos for compensation or sale to another individual would be considered a commercial operation or business use. But they also specify if you're flying your drone for a non-profit organization, for example like a church, that's still considered commercial use. Now in the eyes of the FAA, me as a content creator and being a drone operator, definitely commercial use. But there are actually three reasons why I became certified. And the first simple reason is just doing the right thing. Going through the exam and learning what you learned, there are actually a lot of details, a lot of information that an ordinary person wouldn't know about flying a drone. And yeah, it may seem like a sham or a scam by the FAA to get money, but the reality is the information I did learn on the test are things I've actually used in real life situations that actually was very useful. More and more people are getting their hands on drones. And even just here in Hawaii, I've seen and learned a lot of instances where people are very careless and not being safe with their drones. And the things that you learn on the test teaches you all these things. The second reason isn't really a big reason, but I just have to state it. It's bragging rights. An IPA at once. It's like anything you work hard for in life. The Part 107 is not an easy test, and it comes with a lot of research, it comes with a lot of studying, it comes with a lot of commitment. Once I got certified, I felt really proud of myself for achieving something that is not an easy task. But I'm not gonna lie, there have been instances where I had to make the announcement like, hey, I'm drone certified, and it actually turned out better for me in that circumstance. I actually showed up in a neighborhood to fly my drone above the valley so I can get some sweet drone shots of this highway and the beautiful mountain range, the Ko'olau. And when I pulled up, I realized many different obstacles that were ahead of me trying to fly my drone. And this guy approached me, he's like, hey, what are you doing? Kind of had an attitude. And I responded, I said, hey, I like to fly my drone over the valley to get shots of the H3 and the valley. But there are a lot of wires, the airspace is low, and I don't really feel comfortable flying over houses. And he said, yeah, a lot of people do that, and it really is upsetting. And I responded, I said, oh, you know, I totally understand. I'm actually drone certified, so I know a lot of the knowledge in certain things you cannot do and you shouldn't do. And his tone changed dramatically and became super friendly, and he actually said first thing, I'm really grateful and I thank you for doing the right thing and becoming certified. And truth be told, there are a lot of tourists that come with their drones and carelessly fly over the valley. Just as I said before, there are a lot of people getting their hands on drones who are just carelessly flying. And because I have the knowledge I do with the Part 107, I know more than what your average drone operator has. And to be honest, it feels kind of badass. And if anybody asks me if I'm certified, or it just comes up in conversation, not gonna lie, it's pretty cool to whip out one of these. And last but not least, the number one reason, the biggest reason, is because I am a content creator. Not so much by posting reels, Instagram photos, TikToks, Facebook photos, but mostly because I earn revenue on YouTube. And essentially, in the eyes of the FAA, if you're getting paid to fly your drone, regardless if it's a clip in a video or an actual shoot for like real estate, for example, that is definitely commercial. It screams commercial. Having a YouTube channel and knowing the content I would be posting, not just here in Hawaii and not just across the mainland of the United States, but also in its territories in Puerto Rico, I plan to fly my drone just about everywhere I go. And the biggest thing for me was that I don't want to look over my shoulder, either on the spot or throughout my years of posting content. I want to be able to fly my drone and not have to think twice that I might get fined. When I say fines and offense, it's a reality. The other week I saw a post where this guy got fined $15,000 for not only not having a Part 107 license, but also because he flew over people and a couple of other offenses that equaled out to $15,000. The cost to get certified can range anywhere from a couple of $100. I'd rather pay that out of pocket than have to owe Uncle Sam $15,000. Having the Mavic Mini was a blessing, not just because of its size, but because it's 1 gram less than what's needed to register a drone. But essentially it doesn't matter. Having the Mavic Mini or upgrading to the Air 2S with better photo and video quality, I essentially fly commercially under the FAA's eyes. And because I'm fully committed to posting on social media, getting certified was actually necessary. There are actually YouTubers out there that have gotten in trouble. The biggest names like Kara and Nate, who actually were fined a hefty fine. And if I'm not mistaken, they were not certified drone pilots. Now, if you're considering getting the Part 107 and you're a drone operator, I hope this video helps. Everybody has a different reason why they're considering getting it or why they need to get it. I hope this video clarifies why one could or should get Part 107 certified. I'll be honest, a drone investment is definitely one of the greatest investments I've ever had, but there are a lot more responsibilities connected to having and flying a drone than just having it. And I hope this helps. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. If you love travel content, again, you're on the right channel. If you have any questions, feedback, please let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy flying.